glad that Vijay brought in the topic of nano here, because at Elina we are all excited about the nano launch. And everything that we do today is nanofied. And one thing I'm glad is that the crowd is not nano, because the cricket match suddenly has got very excited. So with that, let me tell you why we love the nano. Nano means different things to different people. For some it's aspirational, for some it's affordable, and for some it's efficient. And it's the same way with our product as well. We have a very strong design parallel with the nano here. And let me tell you what Elina does. So what Elina does is to build networking software. So we help deliver applications. We help deliver applications to distributed businesses. Now application delivery means different things. It requires networking, it requires security, it requires application management, it requires connectivity of diverse locations across various networks. So, talking about the nano, you'll have to wait until September 2008 to test drive. But our customers are already driving our product today. So we have 20 plus customers, 500 plus installations. We closed our seed round of funding in September 2007 with 20 people being today. So let me tell you, our customer list is there. You will see that there is a mix of various types of customers. Let me tell you what kind of markets that we address. Today, retail in India is booming. You wouldn't want to wait at a retail store because the bill is not printing and the sales clerk says, sir, network is not working, application has a virus, and so on. So the more retail stores you have, the more problems you have in terms of manageability. Application management is one of the critical pain points that retail stores have. The cost of connectivity today with MPLS, VPN or some secure network is very, very high. So how does the retail team balance all this? And where does Elina come in to help them? What we do is to virtualize applications and make them manageable across all the stores. When applications are virtualized, every store looks the same. One store is no different from the other, and it can all be centrally managed from one location with the remote management framework that we have built. What it also allows the retail companies to do is to mix and match networks. They can today take MPLS, they can take CDMA dial-ups, they can take DSL, they can take whatever they want and build their networks with our solution. The next market I would like to touch upon is digital signage. You would have seen all these TV screens all across. Most of these TV screens are there. A very large percentage of these TV screens are down. The cricket match is going on. When Vijay is talking here, his image would have come on those screens. But today, content delivery is very difficult. Dynamic content delivery is very difficult because the screens are not networked. We help network those screens. The problems here are it has to be connected to very unreliable networks. Usually it's some CDMA modem that is connected. There's a huge amount of content to be transferred. Now how do we come in here? What we have done is to take our remote management framework and manage these screens as one entity. You can schedule content. We leverage peer-to-peer technology that all of you use to download DVD files, rip DVD files from the net, and push these contents to these screens and over unreliable networks. The third market that we are looking at is in terms of stockbroking. This is a network that requires high reliability, requires speed. Latency of data is very, very important. Rather, low latency is very important. Now, how does Elina address this market? Today, as I'm speaking, our network engineers are rolling out our solution for a very large stockbroker across 250 locations. We provide the best of breed security, we provide high performance networking to them, and we provide reliable networking to them with failover, with hardware redundancy, you name it, it is there in the product. Now, I've talked about diverse markets, I've talked about being various things to various people, I've talked about the nano. Now, what is actually the product? How does it look like? And what is the feature set? What Elina does is to build a platform. Elina does not build network in the sense that you see today. We build a platform that provides a variety of functions. It looks different to different people. Whether you are in digital signage, then content delivery becomes important. Stockbroking, then reliability and performance becomes important. which is why we leverage open source software on running on standard desktops and PCs to be able to deliver this. There's a variety of network services that are built into it. There's virtualization, there's OS independence, which means that applications can now be managed centrally. Like in one of our biggest customers need to upgrade software across 400 PCs spread across 140 stores spread across 7 cities. It's a simple drag and drop. All PCs are now upgraded, right? So we make things so simple because we have built a very strong remote management framework which allows all of this to happen seamlessly. A few words about us. We are a group of 4 people who started this company 30 months ago. All of us are ex-Tejas Networks. Tejas is quite famous today. We are a group of advisors, mentor partners, and Raghu Salgame need no introduction. TVG Krishnamurthy is the former Vice President of Cadbury's, is a marketing guru. Dr. V. Vinayak from the Simputer Freight. MG Subramaniam, who is a consultant to Reliance Retail. And Sunil Krishnan, who is CEO of Confident. Now, what are we looking for at Proto specifically? We're looking at first customers. We're looking at partners who can partner with us for their applications. There are quite a few companies who presented here with whom we can partner quite well. We're looking for people who share the vision of the Nano, can come and join us and help us build a better solution. And obviously we're looking at investments as well.